We had to stop for more
Oh
strawberries.
my gosh.
And eggs.
Big thing.
We've been looking and looking for fresh eggs, and we finally found some. How much were these?
They wanted $2 a dozen for these fresh real...
farm eggs.
I gave her 5 for 2.
And the strawberry season is really short here, so you got to get them while you can because it's been so wet. That's what we've been finding. We've been trying to hunt down some campgrounds or like trailheads and stuff, but everything has been so recently flooded that it's just a muddy, wet mess. So today we're visiting some friends. Actually, the first people we met through our channel.
We were in Key West.
Maureen and Bob, and they were interested in buying
I think so, yeah.
a van at that point. I don't think they'd bought one yet. It was a couple of years ago, and we just met them. It was a Christmas morning, wasn't it?
Well, we were in Key West for Christmas, so it was...
I think it was Christmas morning 2 years ago.
It wasn't Christmas Day, it was right after it, I guess.
Yeah, anyway, they live up here in upstate New York, and we're headed to visit them for lunch, and yeah, we're just cruising. Getting to New Jersey eventually. Home is where we park it. So we're gonna spend the night here at our friend Maureen and Bob's, and this is their pond. It's so pretty. Dave's working on something here.
It's a Freedom Spoon.
Oh yeah, the applewood from the
Freedom One Winery. Cut, edit.
No.
I haven't even been drinking wine. The Freedom Run Winery.
There we go.
Yeah, the winemaker let me go out and cut some apple branches off this tree. So I just kind of rough carved it green the other day, and now I'm trying to. It was a real twisted. So it's a Freedom Spoon.
I love it. This is in near Fly Creek, New York, which is near Cooperstown.
Baseball Hall of Fame.
I guess a baseball place.
All the baseball watchers are gonna go. Ah!
I'm just not really that into baseball. But this is an amazing pond. There's so many fish in there. I don't know what they are, but I threw the camera under the water. So check this out. Wasn't that so cool? I think he was curious about the camera, or maybe he was just hungry. So a couple nights ago, we spent the night near Camden, New York. We were at our friend Herb and Cheryl's. Basically, we've been hopscotching across the country, visiting people.
We weren't going to stay here tonight, but we're just going to stop off for lunch and say hi and visit and catch up. And next thing I know, we were chatting. It was like, it's almost 5 o'clock.
Yeah. Fish keep jumping. It's so cute. I bet the frogs are coming out at night, too.
You and your frogs.
Well, I just like them. I like this froggy girl, too. Yeah, you're my froggy girl. You froggy girl. What's on your nose? You got some grass? You got some grass on your nose? Good girl. You shake? Good girl. What a great night. Aside from the frog, I guess I've determined that noise is frogs. It's a weird noise I've never heard before. Just like, brr.
It's like a cartoon frog where the neck goes.
I thought it was a billed animal. I really thought it was a bird, like with a bill.
I thought it was a bird too.
Like a goose with a weird noise. Oh, it went all night long, but it wasn't like incessant chatter. It was just like, brr, and then 4 minutes later, brr. So it's like, it wasn't enough to get used to. But I slept until 9:30 this morning. I want to talk about New York. Take a look at this drone footage. This is what we've mostly been seeing on our way through New York. Countryside, farm roads. I mean, it's just incredible scenery. Yeah, quiet.
Beautiful, peaceful roads. Nice people.
Yeah, so check this out and then we'll see you down the road. We are in Buttermilk Falls State Park. We just paid for a day use and we're gonna check out the falls here. It looks amazing. As you drive in, you can see them. So let's hit the trails. This is actually a swimming hole at the bottom of the falls, but they're digging it out and redoing it. So no swimming today. Awesome. So cool. Well, should we hit the trail over here and hike up?
Is that natural?
I think so.
Very column. Let's go find out.
That was amazing.
We did all the trails except we didn't go around the lake, but without doing that loop trail, it's pretty close to 2 hours.
2 hours. Oh yeah, 2 hours. That was so cool. So I thought the falls were just gonna be right there in the beginning, but we just kept going and going, and it just got cooler and cooler and cooler, more falls, and it was just stunning. Highly recommend. Now the beginning part of Buttermilk Falls Trail is pretty good climb, and a lot of stairs, but totally worth it.
Yeah, just go slow. It's just so beautiful.
Yeah, so we have some business to take care of in Ithaca. We're gonna do some banking and different things in there, and then we'll figure out where we end up tonight. I'm not sure. So we'll see you on the other side of things. Carry on.
Carry on.